Hey y'all, welcome back to Scab Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do a hair tutorial for 2 French braids. Yes, yes. So first things first, let's get our comb to comb our hair all the way out, a paddle brush to brush away any knots, 2 hair ties to secure the ends, and 2 bobby pins. Next, we're going to part our hair down the middle. Try to get this part as straight as possible, but honestly, it really doesn't matter. After that, we're going to take those 2 parts, section them off, and put a hair tie at the end of one of our sections. After you've done this, then you're going to take your paddle brush and brush throughout your hair. You want to make sure this section is very easy to work through for your first French braid. Then you're going to get your hands in position. Secure it near the front of your head because that is where your braid is going to start. Be sure to move away any flyaways that could get in your way. Then you're going to take 3 fingers and separate 3 sections. These 3 sections are very important. With a French braid, you're moving from the outside in. So you're going to take your left section, move it to the center, and your right section, move it to the center, or vice versa, whichever side of your head that you start on. With this, you will be grabbing pieces of hair from the side of your head or from your scalp and adding it to your braid. This is different from the traditional braid because you do not pull pieces from your scalp. You just braid the braid by itself. So each section of hair will be pulled to the center, the right section to the center, the left section to the center. Repeat this section until you reach your nape and you just continue with the traditional braid. Congratulations, you have officially completed your first French braid. Be sure to tuck away any flyaways with your hands or with your bobby pins. Yes, girl. Then we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. But of course, I'm going to fast forward and let y'all enjoy the music. And there we go. You guys have officially completed your first 2 French braids. You should be so proud of yourselves. You can fluff them out and add any personality. These braids are so perfect for any day. Or just running to the grocery store or just sitting at home watching Netflix. These braids were so fun and so easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave your comments down below. See you next time.